Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to make beef wrap with pineapple sauce. And the ingredients I have is beef that I'm going to slice and cut. I already freeze it so it's hard, so make thin slices. Now I'm going to slice it. I have the rice paper. I like the thin one. I have the fine rice vermicelli. I already cooked right here. And then I have green onions. I have lettuce, cilantro, mint, and cucumber to garnish. And then for the pineapple sauce, I have a clove of garlic and 4 or 5 red chili pepper that I'm going to crush. And then I have pineapple that's already in a can. I guess you could use fresh pineapple and chop it all up, but I just have a crushed one. It's easier. Just mix it. In the sauce, I would put fish sauce, a little bit of anchovies. This anchovy sauce, you don't have to use, you could just use fish sauce. Or if people don't eat fish sauce, you could just use salt only, a little bit of MSG, and sugar for the sauce. Okay, let me start. That's it for now. Let me start by making the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna crush the pepper and the garlic. I just have 1 clove of big garlic here. Okay, my garlic's almost done. I'm going to add the pepper. I'm going to smush it a little bit more. Smash it. You can add however spicy you want, in the pepper. I put like 5, 6 here. Okay, I'm done smushing it. So now I'm going to add the pineapple and all the other ingredients. Since I made this much, they have a small one. You could do a small pineapple can, but since I got a big one, I'm just going to do it all and save it for later. I add half tablespoon of sugar and just a tad of MSG. Probably a tablespoon of fish sauce, a spoon or 2. You can always taste it. Add whatever you need. A little bit of an anchovy. Some people don't like the anchovies. It's really have a strong smell, so I don't add too much, It's really strong. And go ahead, you don't want to smash it, kind of mix it in. And it should be spicy, a little bit salty, sweet, I guess, with the pineapple. And very garlicky. Depends how much garlic you put in. Okay. We can taste it. Oh, it's good. You can always add more. So I'm done with this, and I'm going to put this aside. That's for the dipping. Now I'm going to show you my meat, slicing my meat. I'm going to go over here. I don't know, this would help. Let me hold it. It's such a big piece. It's easier without that. There we go. Slicing it. Really thin slices. This is when it's frozen. There we go. I'm done slicing my meat, and I'm going to kind of pan fry it with the onions and a little bit seasoning. Okay. then we'll be ready to wrap. Okay, now we're gonna get ready to wrap the beef wrap. Here's the beef I made. I also put a whole onion. I fried in there with the green onions and a little bit of oyster sauce, black pepper, not too much. Okay. And then here's the water I have. It's just room temperature. Because for the thinner one, you don't need warm or water. Just need just cold water's fine. And for this one, shake off the excess water. Put too much. There we go. While it's getting soft, you can go ahead and get your lettuce. Prep that down. And put noodle. These tend to be big, so I'm gonna break off a little bit. Okay. And really put some meat in. And when you make this, you have a lot of juice. Try not to get the juice because it'll make your wrapper kind of get too soggy. The juice, you can use it for the pineapple sauce. It's good to add on. And just put cilantro. Usually, if you don't have cilantro, you could just use meat and then that's it. And then I just add cucumber or mint. I'm just going to eat that on the side. You roll, soft enough, go ahead and roll. And these tend to be sticky, so another trick is use oil a little bit so don't be sticky together. Nope, the wrappers. And you just keep repeating, simple.